How to use Photoshop Express on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Photoshop Express. Now once you type, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on install and wait for some time. Until the APK is being installed, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Now tap on open once the APK is installed. Now tap on OK. Now give all the storage permissions. Now tap on allow. Now to edit the photo, tap on the photo. Now click on continue. Now here you can find different tools. Use the tools to edit the photo. Now to save the photo, simply tap on the download button. Now to share the photo, select any social media app or tap on more. Now click on save to my files. Now click on save and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.